Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about the component authentication, where I will show how we can make the login function. If we're scrolling down here, we have the update and sign in and sign out, and today we want to speak about the sign in function. And the sign in function, it's based from the previous video where we signing in, creating an account and then having all the benefits for this. And this signing in meaning you can use the login with your username and password, email and password, woohoo, and then you can get a response back and say everything is okay or not. And then I will encrypt with the token. I will dump it in with the token inside the JVT web token and include it with the account ID as a strings, like the Mongo ID. So let's beginning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to support me, and I'll be very happy. So let's going for this function. First we want to create the response and return response, and then we make the dumps, and then we are good to go here. We need to status, and we say okay if everything is fine, and then we respond to 200. Let's see about this working. Everything here is working. We still need to tell it's a meme type. It's equal to JSON, and then do it again. It should be JSON now. Yes, perfect. The next that we want to do now, it's a logging again. We need to log in the information. Execute account sign in, and then we need the email and the password, and we just store this with the simply get and set, and we can do it with saying the request, and then we need to arguments get email, and we do the same here and copy it down and say password. That's what we want, and we already have access in this area to the account, so just say account object, the object where we hit with the email, and we only want to use fields like password and the token. That's the only two fields we want to get out. Include the primary key, the object ID, and then we just to say the first. That's meaning you only take the first element, so if in some reason we have duplicate, it cannot be this, so we take the first meaning you take a single one. Then we need to ask about if account true. That's meaning did we have something with the account, does it exist, and else not, the account doesn't exist. We want to sending out the 401. It's it's not allowed to be logged in. That's what I want to try to say. And then we need a logging down here to see what's happening. And I'll just copy this one. It's much easier. And then we're going up again here, because then it's meaning now we have we basically have found the account. So now we need to say about the PD here and verify, and then we need to say the password is equal to the account password. So if this is true, then we want still return, and if it's not true, we want to push it inside here. This is a log message, so wrong password. And we go down here, say account not exist, because we found this because based on that email. And the log message is only for the server, it's not something the clients can see. So when we need to debug, it's very important to see the message so we can find what area we hit inside. And then we're going inside here and logging here and sign in succeeds. And then we need the token encode, and I want to say JVT encode, and then we need to tell how we want to encode, and then we need to see the JVT secret. We don't have anything right now, and then we need to define the algorithm, and we use HS256. That's the algorithm we use inside here. This JVT secret token, I will go in for the environment here, and we just say secret token here. That's the secret token. Of course, we should use something else. Get environment, and then we are good to go here. And the ID is account PK, and then I want to say the token of the account should be account token, and then we have the encoded token, and what we want to respond now, it's the token here, and the token should be the token encode, and we need to put it down to decode and ASCII. That's what we want to do now, and let's try to see how it's working. And connection to Mongo is failed, and that's because the JSON here, it's object ID and dumps. I think that's the right thing we want to do now. Response. No, it's because I'm wrong here. I need to push down the strings here. That's why. And send it again, and everything here. Now you can see we have the token with, and I can send it. And this token handles security information about the user. So when the client receives this token and want to use it, the user can do something and then take this token and send it back. And what I can do with this, if you have used a token, I can implement it like every time you have used a token, I can add something more security on if you want. But for now, this is fine. And let's keep it simple for now, and then we over time can explain and expand the features inside, so we can get over the head and continue working what we're doing. And that's the video about this, and I really hope you enjoy. Now you can sign in, and that's it. In the next video, I'll think about what we want to do, but for now, this is very nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoy. I hope you want to subscribe to this channel to press the thing in the right corner for right. And then I hope you want to hit the like button on the video and like it, and you can share it with your friends. And of course you can add it for a playlist. And remember to smash the comments button. So if you have any questions, feel free to type to me. I'll try to answer them. If you have any kind of feedback and functionality you think it could be nice, then let me know. and I will think about it. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. And thank you for subscription. See ya.